a tornado warning for extreme southeastern Pulaski County in central Arkansas, south central Prairie County in central Arkansas, southern Lonoke County in central Arkansas, northwestern Jefferson County in southeast Arkansas, northwestern Arkansas County in southeast Arkansas, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:45 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located 3 miles southwest of Hensley Island, or 14 miles northwest of Pine Bluff. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Redfield, Pine Bluff Arsenal, Parker's Corner, Humnoke, Hensley Island, England, Brummett, Wright, Tucker, Cumberland, Sherrill, Seapot, Samples, Astoria, Jefferson, Guernsey, Maine, Dexter, Color. This includes Interstate 530 between mile markers 19 and 24.